Let's be real. When things go wrong on the highway, consumer-grade junk will get you stranded, or worse. You need gear that actually works. Today, we're looking at 5 tactical emergency tools that prioritize pure survival. No fluff, just absolute performance. Let's dive in. First up is extraction. Swinging a heavy emergency hammer underwater or inside a crushed cabin? Forget about it. You don't have the leverage. The SodaRide Window Breaker is the modern fix. It uses a spring-loaded tungsten steel bit. It's 50% harder than standard carbon steel. You just press it against the glass and it shatters instantly. It's tested to 10,000 strikes and can even survive a fire. Add in a one-handed seatbelt cutter and a built-in Type-C strobe light, and you've got a drop-proof escape tool that fits right on your keychain. Next, we have to talk about power. Dead batteries are the ultimate road trip killer, but those chunky lithium jump packs always seem to be dead in your trunk when you actually need them. Enter the ANCEL BS200. This isn't a battery, it's a patented supercapacitor system. You wire it to your car once and leave it. It actively absorbs the brutal startup loads every single day, basically bulletproofing your battery's lifespan. But here is the crazy part. If your car dies in a sketchy neighborhood or a freezing storm, you don't even pop the hood. You just open their Bluetooth app and jumpstart the engine right from the driver's seat. Total game changer. When it comes to tires, blowouts require serious speed. You need accurate diagnostics instantly. Drop an old analog gauge on the pavement and the calibration is ruined. The AstroAI digital gauge survives the drop. It gives you laser-accurate readings on a bright, backlit screen. It features an illuminated nozzle, so you can actually find the valve stem on a pitch-black highway shoulder. If you do find a puncture, grab the Woowind tire sealant. Don't mess with legacy aerosol foams that freeze solid or destroy your expensive TPMS sensors. This is a natural rubber formula that works in extreme heat and freezing cold. Best of all, it features a valve-through design. You don't waste time removing the delicate valve core while kneeling next to moving traffic. You just pump it in, seal the hole, and get back on the road in minutes. Finally, let's talk about physical mobility. Getting out of a disabled vehicle on an uneven shoulder is dangerous. The Vive Car Handle Assist is a brutally simple force multiplier. It slides directly into the metal U-shaped door latch on your car frame. That is literally the strongest structural point on your chassis. Instantly, you have a rock-solid, non-slip handrail. It safely supports 300 pounds. It turns a difficult, slippery exit into a completely controlled escape. Toss it in the glove box, and it's there whenever you or a passenger needs it.